Konnichiwa, my royal queens and kings. It is your queen, Nicole, the Pisces Queen. In today's video, I am doing a pumpkin face, a different kind of pumpkin face. I saw it on IG and I wanted to try it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm going to do a voiceover. The first thing I did was I did moisturize my face and put on my primer. Now I'm going in with my concealer of choice, and I'm going to outline my eyebrows. The next thing I'm going to do is put my setting powder on my eyes to set my eyes for my next step. The next thing I'm going to do is go into my, I think this is the Her palette, and use this like glimmery black. It's really black, but it got a little shimmer in it. It's one of my favorites. I've used this before for my last spider on the eye look. Next, I'm going to use my Beauty Bay palette, the Bright palette, one of my favorites with multiple colors. I'm going to go in with this orange looking color over the top of the black eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to go in with my concealer of choice around my eyes and a little bit past my nose. Contour my nose, under my nose, my chin, and a little bit above my forehead. So right here I'm going to put on my foundation. I believe I'm using my NARS because I don't use it on a regular basis. So I decided to use it for this makeup look because I'm going to wash it right off right after this video. So what I'm doing is put my foundation on, and I should have spreaded my concealer out first because the concealer dries up really fast. So I have to spray it with some setting spray to get it back loose again. So right here I'm spraying out my foundation, and I'm gonna go over my concealer because I don't like it to be too bright, and it seems like I could never get it to be just right. So what I do is take my foundation brush, not adding any more foundation, and go over the spots where I put the concealer. It's still like a highlighted look, but it's not as bright as it is like right now. Alright, so now we're going to start to draw the pumpkin face. The first thing I'm going to do is draw the triangles on top of my eyebrows. Now, I suggest if this is your first time doing it to use like a lighter color, like a white or a gray, so you can have an outline of what you're doing before you start, so you can make sure that this is the one. This is what you want. Because I really wanted my pumpkin horns to be longer, bigger, but you know, mistakes were made. And the second mistake I made was putting on concealer. I should have just put on straight foundation, because I didn't, when I was trying to like adjust my lines, I put on more concealer, so it made it like brighter on one side of my face than the other side. You will see what I'm talking about. So right here I'm beginning to try to fix my lines with the concealer, and you just want to go, you know, on the side and straighten up the crooked lines if you have those, and try to make it as straight as possible. I'm not very good with straight lines, so I don't think no matter what I do that my triangles will come out like I want them to, unless I use like a like some type of paper to make them really straight. Now this is where I messed up, because I was trying to draw my arrow, my triangle, longer on the right side, but I couldn't get it that way, which would have been better if I done it with a lighter color instead of the black. Okay, so right here I'm going to take some orange from the palette, one of my palettes, and I'm going to go over like around the triangles. I'm going to do that for the bottom of my eyes, and when I do my mouth, I'm going to do it for the mouth part as well, so it could just like stand out and make it like shine. Alright, so right here I'm gonna go ahead and start. Well, I already started doing my mouth. I guess I forgot to press record. So I did the top in like some like wavy lines like the ocean, and so I'm doing the bottom as the same, and it will not match because, girl, I know how to make it match. I just didn't. I don't know. I wasn't thinking about it. But anyways, this is how it's gonna come out, and I'm gonna leave all of this part in the video because I like watching me do this one. So I'm gonna shade it in with my black color pencil. They have some really big pencils that you can use, because you know some of them don't sharpen up, so once you run out, that's it. So make sure you get one that sharpens up, or you know, that rolls out. Alright, my queens and kings, this is the end of my video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And what do you think about the look? I myself, I love the makeup, but I'm not a big fan of my hair right now. I should have done something better. But it is what it is. I do like the look, and I will do it again, probably in a different color to be more girly. What do you think? Leave it in the comments. And don't forget to like and like and subscribe if you haven't already. If you're not subscribed, please consider it and look for more Halloween looks, easy Halloween looks. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the comments. Oh, what do you think about my rabbit? He's so cute, isn't he? Oh my God. Calm down, calm down.